Okay, so let's have a look at the main part of this lesson. So we have a sentence there. Jack has built some towers using cubes. Let's have a look at the towers. Whoa. Okay. How many towers has he built? So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're all the same size, so they're equal. So in each tower we can say is a group. So we've got 4 groups. How many cubes are in each tower? So how many are in each of those groups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're all equal. How many cubes are you using total? Let's count in fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, because they're equal. They're in fives, so we skip counting 5. So if we were to put that into these 3 numbers into a sentence, we had 4 groups with 5 in each group, and we had 20 altogether. So 4 times 5 equals 20. We could also look at, for example, if we put a circle across these 4, and if we did that, we'd have 5 groups of 4, because we can just swap those numbers around, gives us the same number. Surprise, surprise, Whitney has also been building towers using cubes. Okay, so we've got different groups now, but we know that because we're looking at the 5 times table, this should be a group of 5. So we've got, how many towers has she built? 1, 2, 3. How many cubes are in each tower? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're all the same, so I'm counting 5s, 5, 10, 15. 3 towers, 5 cubes in each, 15 altogether. 3 groups of 5 equals 15. Or if we swap those numbers around, 5 groups of 3 equals 15. Dex has also been building towers using cubes. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. Okay. How many cubes are in each tower? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many cubes are in total? Now that's more difficult because we'd be counting in 7s. Okay. But if we actually looked at this and put 5 times 7 equals 35, before we find out the answer, which is 35, we could have swapped those around, and rather than doing 5 times 7, we could do 7 times 5. So we would have counted in 5 7 times, like this. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Okay, so if you look at these sorts of questions and think, well, that can't do the 7 times tables, see if you can swap the number around. We have 5 groups, and we know the 5 times tables. And that is shown here. When we swap the numbers around, 7 times 5 equals 35. Have a go at questions 1 and 2 on the worksheet now.